Hello everyone, and welcome back to another adventure in electronics, robotics, and communication systems. So for the past few weeks I've been using ChatGPT, which, at least for the moment, seems to be the most state-of-the-art chatbot that the general public can access, at least for free. Previously, I already featured some of the 7 original questions that I originally asked it in order to gauge the model's capabilities. You can find the full version of this on my official Unboxing-Tomorrow website. But in honesty, these questions were fairly basic, and even my questions that got ChatGPT to generate code tended to yield these fairly encyclopedic responses. And fair warning, I'm using the term loosely, because the system actually can supply biased or outright incorrect information. This is also something that I mentioned in the full text, and this is going to cause some problems if these systems are used by uncritical thinkers. The reason I'm here today is because after using ChatGPT for several weeks, I noticed that there's one thing that ordinary people tend to do in conversation that I've never seen this model do on its own even once. And that is actually ask me questions in return. I think that's actually an important reminder that this is just a model, albeit an impressive one, and we should take real time to think about how we're using it. Now, tonight I was fairly determined to get ChatGPT to ask a question in return, so I started out by asking about cloud computing, which as a hardware engineer, I'm not very practiced in. In response, the model used the word containerization, and when I asked it to clarify what that meant, I also included a request to ask me a follow-up question just to make sure I understood and was paying attention. This was actually pretty interesting, because the model did just that, and it was actually the type of question that you had to pause and think about. And, just for reference, it asked me what are some differences between Kubernetes and an ordinary virtual machine. I responded that Kubernetes is open source, and I asked if that was correct. I think this is going to be my pattern for using chatbots in this manner, and I'm curious to know if you've tried this out for yourself. Thank you again, and of course if you find this useful, be sure to like and share the video. This is a small channel, but that also means your feedback is going to have a large influence. For a list of other questions I've been asking, you can see the Patreon link below, and with this being a brand new year, I have decided to continue posting early to the decentralized social media platforms, Minds.com, and Odyssey Video. Stay posted for the next one, and as always, have a great day.